Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can check your streak on Duolingo. But first I wanted to tell you that don't forget to subscribe, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how you can make money online. So first you have to open the Duolingo app, and after that at the top you can see that fire icon. You have to click on it, and here you have the streak calendar. So it's Monday now and I completed my course, so this is the first day of my streak. You can see the current streak at the top, and you can see the daily goal is 20 XP, and I completed already 30. So this is how you can check your streak, and I hope this video was helpful for you. See you in the next one. Bye bye.